Hey crypto crew! Ever dreamt of scaling the peak of Mount Fuji while simultaneously scaling the charts with your favorite altcoin? Or maybe you're planning a European summer and want to keep an eye on your crypto portfolio while sipping espresso in a Parisian cafe. But then a nagging question pops into your head. Can you actually use your favorite Canadian crypto exchange, Newton, outside of Canada? Let's face it, the whole point of cryptocurrency is its supposed borderless nature. But the reality is, regulations can get tricky, and crypto exchanges are no exception. So, can Newton join you on your global adventures, or are you stuck using it just in the land of maple syrup and mousse? Hold your loonies. A look at Newton's territory. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, a quick shout-out to our Canadian crypto enthusiasts. Newton is a fantastic platform, user-friendly interface, tight spreads, and lightning-fast transactions. Exactly what you want when navigating the ever-volatile crypto market. But here's the catch. Newton, for now at least, is strictly for our Canadian friends. Their website clearly states that their services are only available to residents of Canada. This means signing up for an account, depositing funds, and trading all require you to be a Canadian resident. So, what's the reason behind the geolock? There are a couple of reasons why Newton might be keeping things domestic for now. Regulatory restrictions. Remember, crypto regulations are still a work in progress around the world. Every country has its own take on digital assets, and navigating that complex landscape can be a real headache for companies like Newton. By focusing on Canada, they can ensure they're fully compliant with local regulations, protecting both themselves and their users. Focus on Canadian customers. Maybe Newton just wants to perfect their offering for Canadians first. Building a solid user base in their home turf makes perfect sense. They can iron out any kinks, refine their features, and provide top-notch customer service before expanding their horizons. But wait, there might be hope for global globetrotters. Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, there's a glimmer of hope for crypto enthusiasts outside the Great White North. Here's why. The future of crypto is borderless. The entire concept of cryptocurrency is built on the idea of a decentralized, global financial system. It just doesn't make sense for crypto exchanges to remain restricted by geographical borders forever. Newton's ambitious team, the team behind Newton, seems pretty darn ambitious. Their website mentions a focus on innovation and building a better financial future. This could very well translate into global expansion plans down the road. So, what can you do as a crypto globetrotter? While you can't use Newton outside of Canada right now, here are a couple of options. Explore other exchanges. There are plenty of reputable crypto exchanges that operate globally. Do your research, check user reviews, and choose one that caters to your specific needs and location. Keep an eye on Newton, sign up for their newsletter or follow them on social media. Who knows, maybe they'll announce global expansion plans soon. Remember, crypto is still evolving. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly changing, and regulations are slowly catching up. So, while Newton might not be your international crypto companion right now, that could change in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.